Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. We have yet another seltzer review video. So this time we'll be talking about the Mike's Hard Lemonade Seltzers. So far I've had the Truly Lemonade Seltzers, my favorite. Bud Light Lemonade Seltzers, shocked how good those were. And the king of lemonade alcoholic beverage, Mike's. So with the seltzer craze, they jumped on board and did their lemonade seltzers. So I kind of want to do a little quick talk about these, and then we're going to pop them open and give it a little taste. So these are hand seltzers. I've had a half a seltzer. I can't even talk right now. Hard seltzers with flavors. This is Mike's Hard Lemonade Seltzer Lemon Flavor, 5% ABV, 100 calories. Serving size 1 can. And the carbs are 1. Just 1 gram of carbs. Now that kind of, I've seen them out there. I've had the Michelob Ultra lemon seltzers with no carbs. And every time I find the lower the carbs, the less the flavors. I'm okay with 3 carbs. Like Truly Punch, they were pretty good. Truly lemonades themselves, they're pretty low. But I'm okay with 3. I'm okay with 3 carbs if it's going to taste good. So I'm kind of hesitant about the 1 gram of carb thing. Government warning, it's alcohol. If you're pregnant, don't drink it, that kind of stuff. So ingredients: carbonated water, alcohol, natural flavor, citric acid, cane juice, concentrated lemon juice, sodium citrate, stevia extract. We'll see about the stevia. Again, not a fan of stevia if you watch my show of any length of time. Manufactured for Mark Anthony Brands, DBA Mike's Hard Lemonade Company. Full flavor hard lemonade seltzers. Nobody makes lemonade like Mike's. Like I just said, I didn't read that yet, but you know what? Kind of said it from the beginning. They're the forerunners of the lemonade flavor drinks. So let's crack this open. So we got lemon, we have pineapple, one of my favorite flavors, mango, and strawberry. So we're gonna crack these open, all of them, kind of see what they taste like. And let's see if I have a glass. All right, and I probably should have done this with my last video because I found out like some of the seltzers will put some coloring in it, or maybe it's from the natural ingredients that they're supposed to have. We'll see. But the little coloration. So this is the lemonade. So let's go ahead and try the lemonade. It's crystal clear, bubbly, effervescence. That's lemon. That's just straight up lemon. Could be a little bit sweeter. The lemon is really strong, but super flavorful on the lemon. Next we'll be cracking open the pineapple. So let's see. Again, clear. Oh man, right away before I even got it in my mouth, I could smell the pineapple before I even got it there. Pineapple is really strong. On the nose and on the palate. That's really good. Now we're going with the mango. So far it looks like all of these are clear. I know the Trulies have a little bit of coloration in them, but these all look like they're clear. Man, these are just so much flavor in these. And the strawberry. And the strawberry. Man, these are all super flavorful. But let's get to rate these. I'm gonna say it's just flavor profile wise. Strawberry. And I like them. Let's go here. So let's see. Mango. Mango's good. Pineapple. I think I just like pineapple better, but I like mango. I think the mango flavor is more prominent than pineapple flavors. I just like pineapple. Then a lemon. Lemon is just like lemon, just lemon. Strawberries, I think strawberry has the faintest flavor of them all. So I think as far as has the most flavor, mango, I think has the most flavor in the Mike's Seltzers. I think followed by a good pineapple flavor. The lemon, I wish it tastes more like lemonade, and it doesn't. It tastes more like fresh lemons. Not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all. But when I'm thinking Mike's hard lemonades and I get a lemon flavor, I expect it to be more like a lemonade than just like fresh lemon juice. And it has a fresh lemon juice flavor to it, a taste. But I expect it more of a lemonade. And the strawberry, it's strawberry, but it's faint. All right. Kelly, which one you want? Mango.
Yeah, but I wouldn't want mango. I'll take strawberry.
The strawberry?
So I wouldn't want to try mango.
All right. And all right, that's it for me. She's taking a strawberry. Apparently, mango is going to my son. And these two, hey, I don't know. Let's go with lemon pineapple. See what that does. It's actually not bad. No, it's bad. Don't do that. Don't do that. All right, guys. That's it for me. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day because I'm about to start shooting some more Tiki videos and I'll be having a great day too. See y'all later.